morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Most importantly, happy Father's Day to all the wonderful dads out there. I know I'm very proud and happy to be a father and a grandfather. That's still weird to say. Yeah. All right. Last night we were in Burma. Oh, the photos don't do this dish justice. Period. Last night I prepared Burmese beef curry with potatoes. The complexity and the depth of the flavors. This was not a short simmer. Total simmer time almost 2 hours. Yeah, hour and a half or so for just the beef with all the wonderful goody spices, and another 15 or minutes or so for when you add in the potatoes. Like I said, almost 2 hours. Excellent meal. It looks like a simple beef stew, but like I said, the depth and the complexity of the herbs, or I'm sorry, the spices, the spice blend in this are excellent. A must try. Yeah. By the way, there's 2 blends in this dish. All right, today on Father's Day, I'm going super simple. I saw this online. I went, all right, I can do this. Not because of the complexity or the easiness, but just because it just sounds good. It sounds like a good American junk food meal, to be quite honest. Today is Philly cheesesteak fries. All right, super simple. Let's get to it. Simple hardware: saute pan or brazier, and a sheet pan for the French fries. So I've got Ore-Ida crinkle cut French fries, one of the favorites in the house. We've tried a couple different, never mind. But you know what I mean. All right, French fries. I got some steak, a little bit of oil. I got onion, garlic, red bell pepper. I got some Velveeta. I try to keep some Velveeta on hand just for things like this, because technically the recipe calls for a cheese sauce, which I'm going to build out of the Velveeta, and some mozzarella or provolone. So yeah, this is the basics and the base for tonight's dinner. What will this casual chef add, change, or have fun with? I'm going to have fun with this one. This is not all the ingredients for tonight. I'm still trying to decide what I'm going to do. I already have some ideas. All right. On this Father's Day, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.